Morning, dear students. I am Miss Akansha. Once again, I welcome you all in maths class. Students, in previous video, we have learnt about subtraction facts and quick subtraction. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Okay, let's see one example with subtraction without regrouping. Okay. Subtract 114 from 125. Okay, student, we have to subtract 114 from 125. First of all, write bigger number, that is 125. Which one is the bigger? Yes, 125. So write here 125. Okay. So subtract 114. Okay. Minus 114. Student, write their places. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Got it? So students, subtract. First of all, subtract ones place. Subtract 4 from 5. Okay. So count to 5 after 4. After 4, 5. It means answer is 1. Okay. Now subtract tens place. Count to 2 after 1. That is 1 after 2. It means 1 again. Okay. And subtract 1 from 1. That is 0. Got it? So our answer is 11. Okay, student. Let's see another example. Subtract 120 from 122. Okay. Which one is the bigger number? Yes, 122 is the bigger number. So write 122. We have to subtract 120 from 122. Subtract these terms. Minus. First of all, subtract ones place. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Got it? Okay. Next is subtraction with regrouping. Regrouping tens. Find the difference of 336 and 117. Student, let's solve this example. We have to subtract 117 from 336. Okay. Student, first of all, solve ones place. Subtract 7 ones from 6 ones. But we cannot subtract 7 from 6. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 6. So regroup tens place. Okay. Borrow 1 tens from tens place. So cut it and write here 2. Okay. And here write 16. It means 1 tens from tens place and 6 write as it is. Okay. Got it? Now we can subtract 7 from 16. So count to 16 after 7. Count to 16 after 7. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So write here 9. Got it? Next solve tens place. 2 minus 1. Subtract 1 from 2. That is 1. Now 100 place. Subtract 1 from 3. Answer is 2. So our final answer is 219. Okay. Got it, student? So let's solve another example. $845 minus 216. Student, solve ones place. We cannot subtract 6 from 5. So, borrow 1 tens from tens place. So, 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. Okay. Now we can subtract 6 from 15. So count to 15 after 6. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So write here 9. Got it? Now solve tens place. That is 3 minus 1 will become 2. Now solve 100 place. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Got it? Very good. Student, solve these examples in textbook only. Okay. Next is regrouping hundreds. Example, subtract 181 from 455. Okay. Let's solve this example. 455 minus 181. Okay. First of all, solve ones place. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now 4 minus 8. Students, we cannot subtract 8 from 5. Why? 8 is bigger than 5. So that we will borrow 100 from 100 place. So 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. Okay. So now we can subtract 8 from 15. Okay. Count 15 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Now solve 100 place. 3 minus 1 will become 2. So our final answer is 274. Okay, got it? Solve another example. That is 857 minus 366. Okay, student, first of all solve ones place. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now subtract 6 from 5. We cannot subtract 6 from 5. Why? 6 is bigger than 5. So that borrow 100 from 100 place. So 8 will become 7 and 5 will become 15. Okay. Now we can subtract 6 from 15. Okay. So count to 15 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write here 9. Okay. Now subtract 100 place, that is 7 minus 3. Again count to 7 after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our final answer is 491. Okay. Got it? Student, these questions you have to solve in textbook only. Got it? Next is regrouping twice. For example, subtract 163 from 341. Okay. Question is subtract 163 from 341. Okay. Students, write these numbers. 341 minus 163. Okay. Students, first of all solve ones place. Subtract ones. 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 ones. 1. Okay. So that again we have to borrow 1 tens from tens place, so that 4 will become 3 and 1 will become 11. Okay. Now we can subtract 3 from 11. Now count to 11 after 3. After 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Okay. Students, now solve tens place. 3 minus 6. Here again we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So again we have to borrow 100 from 100 place. So cut this 3 and write here 2, and 3 will become 13. Okay. Now we can subtract 6 from 13. So again count to 13 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write here 7. Now subtract 100 please. That is 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. So our final answer is 178. Okay. So let's solve another example. Let's solve another example. 801 minus 358. Student, first of all solve ones place. We cannot subtract 8 from 1, so borrow from tens place. But here 0 is here, so that we cannot borrow from 0. So move toward 100 place. Borrow 100 from 100 place. So cut 8 and write here 7 and borrow 100. Okay, so cut this 0 and it will become 10 tens. Okay, borrow 100 from 100 place. Okay, now student, we can borrow 100 tens from tens place. Okay, so borrow 1 tens. So cut this 10 and write here 9 and cut this 1 and write here 11. Okay, so student, we can subtract 8 from 11. Count to 11 after 8. 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. Okay. Now subtract 5 from 9. Count to 9 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Now subtract 3 from 7. Count to 7 after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lines are here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our final answer is 443. Got it, student? Okay, very good. Let's see one another example. 400 minus 297. Solve ones place. Student, we cannot subtract 7 from 0, so that we have to borrow 1 tenth from tens place. But here again 0 is, so that we cannot borrow from tens place. So move toward 100 place. Here we can cut 8 and write here 3. Why? We have to borrow 100 from 100 place. Okay, so that 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. Got it? We borrow 100 from 100 place, so that 0 will become 10. Got it? Okay. Now student, we can borrow from tens place. Okay. So cut this 10 and write 9 here. Okay. Why? Because we borrow 1 10 from tens place and write here 10. Okay. So now we can solve this question. Subtract 7 from 10. So count to 10 after 7. 8, 9, 10. How many lines are here? 3. Okay. Now subtract 9 from 9. It will become 0. Now subtract 2 from 3. It will become 1. So our final answer is 103. Got it? So student, this is all for today. Thank you.